Lenstec is the premier, the only medical device manufacturer in the English-speaking Caribbean. The reason we're here is because Barbados offers so many opportunities. We have fantastic beaches and a great lifestyle, but that's not the main reason. If you bring a business here, you want the business to be viable. The government of Barbados is very committed to building on the biotechnology industries in Barbados. We are, as you can see, a very science-based company. We have a lot of extremely highly qualified science graduates that graduate from the university here. People have excellent work ethics, and we have, coming in as the only medical device manufacturer, we had to establish a position for ourselves, and we think we've done that extremely well, to the point that we do research and development here which competes with every other country in the world that has a similar industry. So we're competing against American manufacturers, European manufacturers, and even against those in the third world. And the reason we're able to do that is because we have a better cost structure than most of the Western countries, and we have better quality than third world countries.
Well, here at Lenstec, we're bringing sight back to people all over the world. We are an FDA approved company, also ISO approved. Here at our manufacturing facility in Barbados, we are the main producer and manufacturer of all the lenses that go worldwide. We have a very skilled staff, our main driving force, to produce the best quality product for use by surgeons around the world.
Our main company is located in Florida in the US. Our Barbados manufacturing facility has been in operation for 25 years now. So we've been around a while and we've made lots of improvements to where we came from.
Now we started with probably about 10 people, and we are now at 200 staff. So we've made a lot of strides in terms of development and employment in Barbados. One of the reasons why Barbados was chosen was because of the high skill level of Barbadians on the whole, in terms of their ability to learn quickly and to be developed.